Hey all, just wanted to really quickly show you this new feature that we have that allows you to run SQL on any data frame within Einblick. So not just SQL when you're connecting to a database, but SQL on top of any output of a Python cell or on top of a CSV, whatever it might be. So what I can do here is upload a CSV file, and maybe I want to write a SQL query over it. So I plug this into a SQL operator. And we're seeing that this data frame, this table here is flowing between those two operators. And if we look at the data connectors here, we see that as its connector, it's using the data frame input as its connector, rather than perhaps a Snowflake connector that I set up previously. So what this allows me to do, I can now write a SQL query in here, select star from df where, I don't know, age is larger than 50 or something like that. And I can run this. And if I look at the output of that query that I just ran, we can look at it again in a tabular view, or I can decide to, pipe this output into another SQL cell or whatever it might be, which is kind of what we're doing here. We're taking the table into a Python cell, doing some light wrangling there. And then, we might want to take the output and further filter or group by or whatever it might be in a SQL cell or SQL operator here. And if we run this particular query here and look at the output, we'll see that, we can do a group by this way. So really flexible to kind of mix and match the right modality for the right task. So, either using no code operators, using Python operators, or using SQL operators now. So in my opinion, the quickest way to kind of go from being able to write SQL queries over a CSV file.